motion activated.
I have to go really like think about it.
Yeah, it's more of a twist motion.
Love that jump action. Maybe you should wear a cup for these events.
I need my gloves if I'm gonna start doing that. I'm sweaty now.
Okay, next up I want to.
You look badass.
Gotta get the grip of history. My voice is right.
This is what it sounds like. Ready?
Ready. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Listen on the side. This is what it sounds like. Wish I heard the silence.
Let the hate flow through you, boy. Okay.
You feel me? I love what it sounds like.
That was a good one.
So let's try a couple things like this. I'm gonna Okay, now when you swing over my head, go and turn all the way around. Yep. And then can you do like a 360 like that?
Oh yeah.
Okay. And then come back from the other side.
So, like this. Like that?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, try that like a figure 8. So swing this way, then come back around and then swing this way.
So, this way and then this way?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright. And then we'll do that again. Okay? And then now just do that figure 8 and follow me. I'm going to walk back like about 10 feet.
Sure.
Okay? And then now like you, come up behind him. So we're going to have you do that again. And then you kind of like come up behind him, but on the side a little bit. So step out to the side a little bit. Okay, and then just come with them like you're gonna sneak attack them from behind. Okay, go. Good, awesome. Let's try something like that one more time, like really fast. And go. Awesome, cool. And then when you swing, follow through all the way through. Okay?
So I should hit him if he's swinging?
No. Just let him pass you like far enough, you know, and then then like swing like you just took his head off. Okay.
Okay.
I was about to say, feel free to hit me. I've been hit plenty of times.
All right, go. Awesome, cool. Any other ideas?
What do you... Actually, I have an idea. Stay loose.
Let's try something like that. Awesome. All right. Now, ma'am, run for it. Cool.